Good morning, it's Amena. So today is the day before we leave and go back to Dallas. Oh, we don't want to talk about it, you know. We're not thinking about that. We're still trying to enjoy our time. I'm actually waiting for Elias' sister to come pick me up. My hair is looking crazy because I'm gonna go to a salon and I'm gonna get some traditional Ethiopian braids. I have no idea what I'm going to get. I think I'm just gonna kind of trust them and, you know, let them do their thing. I've never had Ethiopian style braids before, so it's gonna be different for me. Hopefully it doesn't hurt though. So we're driving right now to Mother's house. Elias is driving. But yeah.
So sad.
Yeah. I don't want to leave.
Yep.
I feel like this is my home. I feel like this is my home
right
now. Yeah. We just got sick now because we have to leave.
Yeah.
Here we have Injera. Is that my favorite?
That's the rawat.
That's Elias' favorite.
Amena. Didi, you comfortable with the shruba?
Yeah.
How is it?
It's good. It hurts a little, but it's okay. Yeah, so the style that I'm getting, it's French braids on the top and then twists on the bottom here.
Okay.
Beats.
So you like it?
Yes. You like it?
Yeah, I like it very much.
She got shy.
Adyo tatsa ko pa daw. Now you look at them. He doesn't care.
Beats.
አይደል?
ከላይ ነው ኦልሞስት ያስቀመጠችው ማለት ይችላል። ቆዳዋን እንዳይላት እንዳያማፈቅ አስር ሲጨቀጨቀ እንድትጠቀምበት ማለት ይችላል። አረብስ ማን በጣም በስሱ ነው ሰፋው ይሄው እንደውም ማለት ይነሳል። ነቃቃይ ነው ያደረገው።
ኤሪ ምንድነው? ምንድነው? Enchi Conjo, nay, don't leave me. Nay, animar, Conjo.
Amena, finally you should breathe.
Oh, wow, thank you. Beautiful.
Yeah, Amena, go. Sister.
Beautiful. Look at my cultural shoes. So beautiful. Gobas. I'm second other. So today is the last day. 12:45 right now, so we have to go to the airport by 2 p.m. It's just, I don't know, it's a sad day, so I'm probably gonna have low energy, but yeah, I don't even want to vlog and I don't want to leave. It's so nice here. I feel like Ethiopia is like my new home. Yeah.
መሰረት ቀረጻ ላይ ነሽ ላይቭ
Arif. And you need to wear a little bit. See? And close.
Alright, so
it's masasha.
Masasha?
Called there masasha.
Okay, so this is masasha.
Yeah.
You put it on the pan so that it doesn't stick. Is that enough?
Yeah, that's good. And do it.
Like this?
Yeah.
And white. So that the injera doesn't stick.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good job.
Yeah. You did it. Wow. Oh, Mina. I love Ethiopians. Yeah. Really? No.
Is that injera or bread?
Yeah, you did it. You did it. Yeah.
Wow. And then wear a little bit.
Wait a little bit.
Wait until it has eyes.
Yeah.
And then cover it.
Yeah.
Have a handling over there, see? Very good.
You in 2 minutes.
Yep.
When it's finished. Alright, so the injera is ready now. So now we're going to take this and we're going to take it off.
Yeah. Pull it a little bit. You're doing it.
You did.
You can pull it the injera like that. Yep. Here I go.
And then gonna put it here. There we go. Just to show you how big this is, like this is my hand, so you can see the difference.
Yeah. We have injeras over there.
But it's so small.
Yeah, like this.
Yep. That's it.
That was great.